95% of traders lose money, not because they're dumb, but because they think the wrong way. What if the real edge in trading isn't in your charts, your indicators, or your strategy, but in your mind? This isn't just about trading better. It's about thinking differently. Welcome to a mindset shift that could change everything. 1. The real battle is mental, not technical. Most traders don't lose because they're unintelligent or lack skills. They lose because they fight a silent war within. Fear, doubt, and unrealistic expectations sabotage even the best systems. Take two traders who start on the same day. Trader A studies for years, masters technical analysis, predicts markets with 80% accuracy, and still loses. Trader B learns one simple system, then spends years mastering their mindset, and becomes highly profitable. The difference isn't strategy, it's psychology. Top traders think differently. They've learned to trade without fear or hesitation, and that changes everything. 2. You don't need to know what happens next. One of the most dangerous beliefs in trading is, I need to predict the future to make money. Wrong. The market can do anything at any time. For any reason, news, big players, glitches. Your perfect analysis can be crushed in seconds. Pro traders understand this and don't try to predict. They use analysis to identify probabilities, not certainties. They accept uncertainty and trade accordingly. Their mantra is, anything can happen. 3. The cycle of doom, when learning becomes a trap. At the beginning, trading feels easy. You place a trade, and it works. No fear, no hesitation. Then comes a painful loss. That one loss shifts everything. You begin to doubt, overanalyze, and learn more, believing more knowledge equals more control. But here's the trap. The more you know, the more you expect. The more you expect, the more often you're disappointed. You enter the cycle of doom, learning more, expecting more, and fearing more. You're not becoming better. You're just getting more afraid in a smarter way. 4. You're not trading the market. You're trading your beliefs. Your inner world, past experiences, emotions, memories, filters how you see the market. Example, you lost money on a breakout trade. Now your mind tags breakouts as dangerous. So next time you hesitate, place a tight stop, or exit too early, the setup fails, not because the strategy is wrong, but because your fear altered your execution. You're not reacting to reality. You're reacting to your past. 5. The market owes you nothing. The market isn't your friend. It's not out to get you either. It's neutral. It doesn't care about your goals, dreams, or analysis. Every gain comes from someone else's loss. And every loss, someone else's gain. Once you fully accept this, something powerful happens. If the market owes you nothing, then your results are 100% your responsibility. No more blaming, just complete control. 6. The 5 fundamental truths of trading. Mark Douglas identified 5 core truths you must internalize. Anything can happen. You don't need to know what happens next to make money. Wins and losses are randomly distributed. Even with a good system, an edge is just a higher probability, not a guarantee. Every moment in the market is unique. Truly living by these truths frees you from fear, overthinking, and emotional swings. 7. Fear is a projection, like the story of the dog. A child is bitten by a dog. Later, he sees a different, friendly dog, but still reacts with fear. Why? His mind links dog to pain. Traders do the same. One bad trade, and they start avoiding similar setups, even when the conditions are completely different. Your mind isn't seeing the market clearly. It's seeing your pain projected onto price action. That's why you freeze, hesitate, or exit too early. You're reacting to memory, not to reality. 8. Think like a casino, not like a gambler. Casinos don't care about individual wins or losses. They operate with a clear edge, and over thousands of bets, they profit consistently. Gamblers focus on the next outcome, ride emotional highs and lows, and chase losses. Which mindset do you bring trading? Professionals operate like casinos, emotionless, systematic, edge-based. Amateurs gamble and lose. 9. The 3 golden rules of trading. Predefine your risk before every trade. Be okay with losing that amount. Truly okay. Cut losses immediately when your stop is hit. No excuses. No, just a little more room. Take profit systematically, not emotionally. Hope isn't a strategy. Have rules. These rules are part of the mechanical stage, where you trade like a robot with zero emotion. Only after mastering this can you add intuition. 10. The 4 deadly trading fears and how to destroy them. Fear of being wrong, you hesitate or avoid trades. Fear of losing money, you use tight stops, take profits too early. Fear of missing out, you chase entries, overtrade. Fear of leaving money on the table, you hold too long, re-enter bad trades. The antidote to all fear? Total acceptance of risk. If you've already accepted what could happen, there's nothing left to fear. 11. Inside a professional trader's day. Meet Sarah. She starts her day not by checking the news, but by reviewing her rules. She risks 1% max per trade. She only takes top quality setups. She exits without hesitation when stopped. She tracks execution, not results. If she follows her rules, it's a successful trade, even if she loses money. No drama, no thrill, just perfect execution. This is what professionalism looks like. 12. The zone, trading without thought. The zone isn't magical. It's a natural state where fear, doubt, and noise are gone. In this state, you see setups clearly. You act instantly, effortlessly. You're not thinking, you're flowing. You don't reach the zone by trying harder. You reach it by removing mental conflict. The more you accept uncertainty, the more the zone becomes natural. 13. Your 30-day mindset transformation plan. Week 1. Awareness. Stop live trading. Paper trade while journaling your thoughts and emotions. Week 2. Reprogramming. Visualize flawless execution. Practice acting from rules, not emotion. Week 3. Integration. Resume live trading with small size. Track execution quality, not profits. Week 4. Expansion. Scale up gradually. Maintain discipline. Review progress weekly. Focus on one thing only. Did I follow my rules perfectly? Profits come later. Mastery comes first. Final message. You are the edge. You have 2 choices. Take the blue pill. Go back to guessing, hoping, overanalyzing, and losing. Take the red pill. Embrace uncertainty, trade with clarity, and rise above the 95%. Worst of all, the black pill, knowing the truth but never applying it. The market hasn't changed. It never will. The only thing that can change is you. Welcome to Trading in the Zone. Welcome to the 5%.